Hello, I'm Amanda and this is our dog Dolly, love of our lives. She's 13 years old. She's a rescue from Battersea here in the UK. She's been full of life, full of health, nothing wrong with her at all until a few weeks ago she's developed this quite awful hacking cough. She sort of gags a bit as well. It's really quite awful. I videoed some of it so you can see and see if it's similar to anything you guys have. The vet suggested we monitor it for now, potentially. You want to go now? She's up for camera shine. To see how we get on. And so in the meantime, we did some research and we found this company, Pet Wellbing, and they've got these two products, Respire Gold and Lung Gold, homeopathic natural products, which tick our boxes. And we thought we'd try those over the next few days and we'd video it for you too to see our journey and hopefully see some progress. She's waiting for it, but she loves it. It's great. So we have news, don't we, Dolly? It works. We are a week in and we have woken up today for the first time with no cough, not even a little nothing. I am so happy, so over the moon. Sorry, she's desperate to go for a walk. But I had to tell you, you know, you think you see an improvement and you wonder, am I wishing it? Am I hoping that it's better? But it was. It took probably 3 days, then 5, and now we're a week, 7 days in. And she's perfection. Oh, it's wonderful. We're going to go off on our big run and, oh, if we can wake ourselves up, eh? What are you doing? So we're back from our walk. It is a massive improvement, but she did still cough on the walk, and I think that's partly because it's so cold outside and her chest is still a bit sort of sore and sensitive. So massive improvement, but we're not at 100% yet, so I still have faith. She's happy in herself, so we're really pleased with her progress. We just want to try and get it even better, don't we, baby?